Exercise and sleep. There are a lot of research studies that prove there is a link between exercise and a healthy immune system. These studies reveal that exercising on a daily basis can boost your immune system over the course of your life. One of the other advantages of daily exercising is that it reduces the effects of aging as well. When you get into the habit of exercising regularly, you will be setting yourself up for a healthy immune system as you get older. Older people tend to have weaker immune systems, but if you have always exercised regularly, then this should not be a problem for you. Start simple with exercise. We wrote this training during the coronavirus pandemic, and depending on where you live, there may be some restrictions on you going outside. You need to respect this because flattening the coronavirus curve is essential. If you cannot go outside, then you can exercise in your home or out in your yard. One of the best forms of exercising is walking. Going on a 20 or 30-minute walk each day can do wonders for your immune system. It can be a bit of a challenge doing this at home, but you could walk around your yard for a few minutes a day, for example. Something that you can certainly do at home is either Pilates or yoga. There are plenty of videos on YouTube, for example, that will show you the basic moves, and this is a good place to start. You can move up to more advanced exercise once you have mastered the basics. Yoga, in particular, will help you to bolster your immune system. Not only that, but it is a great form of exercise as it gets you to really move your body. You can encourage the growth of your T cells by adopting the Cobra's pose for a duration of 3 deep breaths. Once you become more experienced with yoga, you can be more adventurous and try the legs up the wall pose. This is good because it encourages lymph drainage and increases blood circulation, which will help you to relax and reset your nervous system. Perform stretches each day. Your immune system will always perform better when you are in a relaxed state, so you can put yourself into the state by performing simple stretching exercises every day. We recommend that you perform a series of stretches for around 10 minutes as soon as you get out of bed every morning. One stretch that we highly recommend is called the forward fold. This can really boost your immune system because it forces blood flow into your sinuses, which in turn releases any congestion. There are many different stretches that you can perform that are very easy to do. Look online for ideas to start you off. You certainly do not need to perform stretching for very long to provide the benefit to your immune system. Do 2 sets of stretches a day in the morning and evening. Sleep to boost your immune system. There are not many things better than getting enough sleep to help your immune system fight off any antigens. It is critical that you get the right amount of sleep as you need to produce the correct levels of cytokines, which you can only do while sleeping. This protein helps to reduce infections and inflammation too. When you get a good sleep every night, you will keep your immune system in the best shape to protect you from viruses and bacteria. As an adult, you will need between 7 hours and 9 hours of sleep each night so that your body is able to regenerate properly. We know that sometimes it is not always possible for you to get this amount of sleep each night. If you don't get the sleep that you need, then try taking a couple of 30-minute naps during the day to make up for this. If you have difficulty sleeping, then we have some good advice for you to follow. You need to follow this advice because if your body is deprived of sleep, then your immune system will not be able to function as it should. Establish a routine. It is certainly possible to fool your body into going to sleep at a certain time every day. Do you find that you feel tired at a similar time each day? What you need to do if this is the case is go to bed just before this time. You need to set up a routine so that you can do all of the things that you need to do before your designated time to go to bed. If you need to, you can set an alarm to remind you that it is time for you to get ready for bed. It is not difficult to establish a sleeping time ritual in your life. When you do this, you will know that at a specific time each day you can disconnect from all of the day-to-day stresses and slowly encourage your body that you need to shut down and get some restful sleep. Preparing for sleep. You need to create the right atmosphere for sleeping. Take a look at your bedroom and see if it is comfortable enough for you. If your bed is not that comfortable, then consider getting a new one that is. Good pillows are essential as well. Falling asleep or staying asleep can be difficult when you are uncomfortable. What kind of noise levels exist in your bedroom? What temperature is the room? Some people find it helpful to have a constant noise in their bedroom to help them sleep, such as a white noise machine or even a simple fan. Using essential oils on your pillows can also help your brain to relax. We recommend that you switch off any electronics, such as a TV in your bedroom, or move it into another room altogether. Having the TV on will not encourage you to sleep, as it will stimulate you instead. Don't drink coffee or anything that contains caffeine at least 3 hours prior to your sleeping time. We recommend that you avoid eating large meals 3 hours before going to bed as well. These things work, so be patient and persistent with them. In a short time, you will find that you are sleeping well each night. In the next video, you will learn how to detoxify your body for a stronger immune system. Detoxify your body for a stronger immune system. Your immune system works at its most effective when your body is clean of toxins. The reason for this is that it works a lot less hard when there are no toxins to contend with. The result of this is a stronger fight taking place against antigens that can cause disease. Detoxifying your body is the practice of cleaning out anything that your cells do not require. This can be a substance that causes harm or something that can prevent your cells from functioning in the correct way. In this video, we will provide you with 6 simple methods that you can use to detoxify your body in a natural way. 1. Use pure water detoxification. One of the best ways to perform a natural body detoxification is to drink pure water. You need to drink quite a lot of water to ensure that you flush out all of the toxins. The key part of this is the pure water. This means just ordinary water and not carbonated water, and certainly no sugary drinks or coffee. Your body needs water to function properly. So, when you provide it with pure water for a period of time, it will absorb it easily, and then it will eliminate any toxins that are present through body fluids such as your sweat and your urine. 2. Drink warm lemon water to detoxify. Staying with the water theme, it is a great idea to drink warm lemon water when you wake up each morning. In fact, you can drink it any time during the day. The great thing about warm lemon water is that it is very effective at breaking down those unwanted toxins and assisting your body to eliminate them altogether. Warm lemon water is a natural diuretic which will clean your urinary tract. It will also provide detoxification for your liver and will give your immune system a much-needed boost due to the nutrients that it contains. 3. Eat the right kind of foods. Eating the right foods has been a common theme throughout this training, and there is very good reason for this. When you consume the right kind of foods, you will naturally detoxify your body. So, ensure that your diet includes plenty of fresh fruit and vegetables and that you get algae in your diet too. There are superfoods that do a great job in eliminating heavy metals and toxic chemicals from your body. These superfoods include alfalfa, blue-green algae, cilantro. Another natural and effective way to detox is through fasting. This takes into account how you eat as well as what you eat. So, for example, you could have a regimen where you only consume liquids for a 12-hour or more period, as this will help to significantly reduce your body's toxicity levels. 4. Regular exercise. You might think that it is strange to see regular exercise as a way to detoxify your body, but it does work. The key here is to work up a sweat when you are exercising. Sweating in this way will help you to eliminate toxins a lot more easily. When you sweat after exercising, you can get rid of bad toxins such as arsenic, cadmium, and mercury, for example. 5. Regular meditation. This is another way of getting a body detox that you might not have thought of. When you meditate, you improve the circulation of your blood. You will also boost your metabolism, and meditation is great for your cardiovascular system as well. 6. Breathing clean air. There is one other great way that you can detoxify your body, and that is to get as much fresh, clean air as you can. If the coronavirus pandemic is still in force, then this may be difficult to do right now. But when you are able to go outside again, choose a destination that has clean air. You can always improve the air quality in your home and your place of work as well. You can add plants to your environment, as these will clean the air. It is very important that you keep your home as dust-free as possible. Make sure that you service your home HVAC system regularly, and that this includes cleaning all of the air ducts. It is easy for toxic substances to form in your heating and ventilating system, and here are a few examples. Microorganisms, smoke, mold, fumes, pet hair, mildew. If you have a high concentration of these substances in your air ducts, which is pretty likely if you have not cleaned them for a long time, then they can cause your home to become toxic. So, the message here is clear. Eliminate the toxins in your body and your environment so that you can free up your immune system to fight those nasty antigens. It is not difficult to detoxify your body, so do it on a regular basis. In the next video, we will discuss the use of essential oils to boost your immune system.